Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to learn the propriety of a common man. Here he is a teacher. Can a teacher ask the union minister about the public grievance? All of us with one voice say yes, but for saying the same or for actually cornering the Union Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers, Mr. Bhagavan Saha. This teacher has been suspended. How this thing happened, what is the legal impact on it, let us discuss. Mr. Bhagavan Saha, who is the Union Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers and from Karnataka, he visited Bidar on 15/7/2022. Right? At that time, our friend, the junior assistant teacher, Mr. Kushal Patil is a junior assistant working in the public schools. Then he questioned the Union Minister of State about the non-availability of the fertilizers. Normally, as a politician, when he takes up the mic, he says that the government is there, it will help you, it will give you whatever fertilizers you want, all these things. Then the teacher reacted and he asked the union minister about the non-availability of the fertilizers in the particular area. Normally, the minister, he should have replied in a proper way. The minister got disturbed and he said, Mr. Patil, I am a union minister. I am the minister for the entire country. Such simple things you cannot bring to my notice. You can approach the local officers. You can approach the local people representatives if at all you have got any grievance. Then the matter has turned into a heated discussion between the duo. The teacher, he did not hesitate, and the union minister, he also might have lost his balance. Actually, it was not mentioned in the press, but there was a heated argument between both these people, and actually, our teacher, Mr. Kushal Patil, he has literally asked the minister to come to the village, and he threatened him. In other words, in other way, yeah, I will see how you will get votes in the next elections if you are not able to solve these problems. No doubt, you may be a minister, but you are our legal personal people's representative. It is your duty to answer the problem. So, just like all politicians, you come at the time of elections and you don't bother about the people's grievances. This is not the way you have to react. And if this is the case, tomorrow you will not get any vote from our area like that. Yeah. So, this has gone. Actually, incidentally, this Kushal Patil, now we are coming to the important point. This Kushal Patil teacher, he has recorded the entire transaction in his mobile phone. He has recorded the entire transaction in his mobile phone, and he has made it viral by publishing it in the social media platforms. So, union minister getting agitated, getting irritated, having a heated discussion. Then he is telling, come on, you visit the village. If you do not visit, the next time you will not be elected. Like all these things went viral. And, people, they will find fault with the minister only, not the teacher. Because Constitution says, yes, it is the right of every civilian to ask any question to the people's representative and he has to answer. Is it not? He cannot avoid saying that he is a union minister. That shows his arrogance. I am a union minister. Why do you ask this question? No. If he said, Patil Bhai, this is a local matter, issue matter, go and approach, it would have been sufficient. But the way of telling is also different, that have been caused the trouble. Anyway, because the government, union minister, immediately now, the deputy director, public instruction, using his powers under the CCA rules, you may be knowing, CCA rules, so that is, rules applicable for the government servants, CCA rules, he got him suspended So under grounds, please remember, charges of dereliction of duty, irresponsibility and misconduct by intentionally recording the telephonic conversation and making it viral on the social media platforms. So this is the delinquency or dereliction of the public servant. So I don't know where it is mentioned CCA rules that he should not pay. If it is an official secret, yes, he should not make it public. But other things definitely can make it public. Of course, it is definitely, if it is explosive or if it is actually it is disturbing the peace of the others. Section 67 of the Information Technology Act will be there. If you publish any material which is obscene, 67E, which is explosive, which is encouraging the terrorism, 66F, like all these sections are there. But here what he has done is, he has exposed the truth before the public. So definitely he will win the so-called suspension by saying the justification by truth. He has not done anything. He has done that's what actually happened. Yes, no doubt. Here, if you go through the CCA rules, then it may be, to some extent, it may be applicable that he should not directly involve in political matters. This may be one point. Otherwise, definitely he will come out successful. But whoever sees this news item which was published in Hindu, normally they feel pity for this Kushal Patil, and normally we get grouse against the union government, particularly the minister, for his arrogant behavior. No doubt, what happened is we do not know. We are basing only on the paper news, that's all. But anyway, here two important points, legal points. Suppose if any material which is defamatory to the others, even though there is in a direct section, it can be dealt with under section 67 of the IT Act. Or if it is any actual obscene or vulgar, then 66E will be there. So normally CCA rules, yes, definitely they are applicable for the government servants, but taking advantage of the same, it should not have been service. It would have been suffice if he was asked to give explanation. If the explanation is not satisfactory, then he would have been suspended. Straight away suspending means just only it is an eyewash or getting the good wishes from the union minister. That's all. So this is the general opinion, but whatever it is, legal consequences are there. We hope what we will see is to see what will happen. Thank you.